So before we start, if you want a wall makeover or want to gift yourself a new wall this new year or want to surprise one of your loved ones, then you're watching the right video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a makeover of this wall right here. This was colored pink and it had some texture on it, but unfortunately damp ki wajah se the bottom part of this wall is kind of damaged. So I thought I'll change it. So I got some wallpaper from Amazon. So let's see how I'm able to do it. The difficult part of this is that I don't have a completely plain wall. I have like so many brackets over here and there are stands in the corner or lamp bhi hai. So I have to basically do a cutout around it. So यहाँ पे देखिए ना, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा this paint has come off and it is still coming out. This door stopper is broken. खैर उसका तो फ़िलहाल कुछ नहीं कर सकती. So this is it and switchboard के around भी chip off हो रहा है paint. So the challenge is to put the wallpaper around this. I have like 4 level of stands over here and यहाँ पे ये brackets हैं and the lamp is there. So that's it. Yeah, that's my door. Beautiful floral laminate wala red door. Really love this door. So the wallpaper that I got is white in color. It will be a good contrast to this red door and also the wallpaper that I got is soundproof. I thought it's good to get soundproof one because sometimes I do singing. I sing very loudly when I'm recording my songs. तो और बाजू में नेबर के बच्चे हैं so they shouldn't get disturbed. Hence I thought soundproof would be a good idea. But कितना soundproof है वो तो बाद में ही पता चलेगा. Let's unpack the wallpaper and get started. एट फर्स्ट आई थॉट कि ये वॉलपेपर कटआउट्स जिस साइज़ में डिलीवर हुए हैं वैसे ही ब्लॉक ब्लॉक निकाल के मैं पेस्ट करती जाऊँगी, सो इट विल बिकम ईजियर। बट देन इट वाज बिकमिंग डिफ़िकल्ट टू हैंडल इट क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी था। तो देन आई डिसाइडेड कि आई विल स्टार्ट कटिंग इट इनटू स्मॉलर पीसेस, यू नो, इनटू रोज एंड कॉलम्स, एंड देन स्टिक इट, दैट विल बी ईजियर। और बाल पे लग गया तो ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा होने को आया और अब तक आधा ही वॉल हुआ है। दैट टू द डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट आई हैव नॉट डन, इट इज़ दिस कटिंग ऑफ दीज पीसेस। और तो और नीचे का आई डिडंट डू इट प्रॉपर्ली, आई कुडंट डू इट प्रॉपर्ली बिकॉज it kept getting stuck to the wall and ऑलरेडी यहाँ नीचे डैमेज है और पपड़ी निकलने लगी है वो अडेसिव में चिपक के। So the bottom part is not looking good, so I have to do something about it now. It's always good to take a break because मैं ये पूरा अकेले ही कर रही हूँ, तो यू नो ऑलरेडी 1.5 घंटे हो गए हैं एंड इट्स नाइट टाइम, तो डिनर टाइम हो गया है। सो आई एम थिंकिंग आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग दिस टुमारो मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई एम फ्रेश। I'll be able to do it faster. Right now I'm super tired. And good morning everyone. I had to go out for some work, but उसके बाद आके मैंने फटाफट बाकी के जो थे कुछ complete किए, and still a lot is left to be done. Let's finish it. I was placing these pieces to see where it fits. और जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं फ्लोर की हालत भी काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई है because of the adhesive falling all over. It felt like a huge puzzle. I was kind of solving a puzzle over here, cutting out pieces and checking कौन सा कहाँ पे fit होता है so that I'm able to cover the entire area with minimum wastage of wallpaper. After finishing most of it, I was again so tired. I thought I'll finish the rest of it at night. तो क्या किया ना मैंने बीच में, ये बहुत ही अजीब सा लग रहा था, सो आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू पेंट इट एंड सी, क्योंकि कुछ गेस्ट्स आने वाले थे शाम को। सो या और पता नहीं अचानक से इस लाइट को क्या हो गया, दिस एलईडी स्टार्टेड फ्लिकरिंग लाइक पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी। Now for the smaller blocks and the tiny bits and pieces, I had to take measurements and do it. So it's almost done. I just have to fill up the gaps, the cracks and crevices left behind. and it's finally done. Okay guys, so this is how it has turned out. I love it so much better than the previous color. This is how it is. Okay, so I'm done for the day. I'm exhausted, but the final look, I love the final look. It has this very peaceful feel with the entire thing being white. It took me almost 6 to 6.5 hours to finish this, but that is because I did it all by myself. So I'll give you a few tips. The pros and cons. I don't think there is any con. The only con is that you should not try to do it single-handedly. Get help. Take someone else to do it with you. That way things will be faster. And we should cut the big blocks into smaller pieces. That also gives a better fitting. And since it is 3D and it's like it's made of foam kind of material, foam or thermocol, I don't know what, it's pretty good. It actually makes this 3D thing, you know, slightly stretchable, expandable. So wherever there is a fitting problem, these gaps in between, you can, you know, you can squeeze and fit it. So that was there. That's why it was a bit easy, because वो जो plain वाला paper होता ना, plain wallpaper होता ना, उसमें normally what I've heard is bubbles आ जाते हैं when you try to do. So वो तो शायद बिना professional के it cannot be done. So that way this was easy. And only thing, in the initial stage I was having problem because adhesive is so sticky in this, which is needed also, नहीं तो वो निकल ही आ जाएगा wall से. So the adhesive was so strong that it was sticking everywhere, on my hand, on my hair, and you know, it was क्योंकि फ़ैन चला के कर रही थी मैं, तो होल द एंड आई वॉज होल्डिंग अ बिग पीस, सो इट वॉज ऑल कमिंग बैक ऑन मी. So we should make it into smaller blocks or smaller pieces and then fit it. And also जिनका wall एकदम plain है, those who don't have so many shelves and brackets and switchboards and lamps, and I even have a door stopper on this wall, so literally there was so much to cover. जिनका plain wall है उनके लिए तो बहुत ही easy होगा. It will be like 2 hours job, I think. So I did it, and then I painted also. And another advantage is that since it is white, it was pretty easy to cover up the cracks and crevices left with white paint. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked my video, and it would really mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment on them, and also please share them with your friends and family. I have a long way to go, and without you guys I'll be going nowhere. So thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.